Hello, everybody.
It is a rainy, dreary day
Yes.
here in Northern Virginia, and I understand it's like that at the Hoosier thing too. It's a
Yeah,
shame.
it's a shame we didn't get to go. We wanted to go, but the family first.
Yes.
But I want to sincerely thank everybody for all the kind and honest comments on the last video. I'm not responding to them because it would be a never-ending. And some said just ignore the algorithms. Now, that's not me. I ran a business for 31 years. I watched all these numbers and I watched it. And that has got to be the craziest setup I've ever seen for their benefit. And most businesses do lay
Yeah,
out.
for their benefit.
It's for their benefit, but they want to hide behind it's a computer. They want to hide behind it's AI. That's not all AI. I deal with these people. I've talked to these people. I've emailed, I've messaged these people. And changes happen to our channel when I do that. But irregardless, I have so much experience in business and knowledge of what's going on and watching all of this AI come up through the HVAC industry that, but here's the thing. No matter how many views, how much money, it's a win-win for all of us with this great Woodhound community.
Yeah.
I would not trade more money
Well,
for less camaraderie.
we
This
got
is
exactly what we were looking for.
this is what we would,
we?
yeah.
We were looking for like-minded people that we could visit and talk with and socialize with, and that's exactly what we
And I've
got.
never seen anything. I was with motorcycle clubs. I've never seen nothing like that. And when you talk to Dell and Todd, all these veterans, Mike, they've never seen nothing like the camaraderie. Maybe the Marines, but I'm not even sure.
We don't know.
This is
We
like
haven't been a Marine.
this is like nothing I've ever seen. And you have people like Ohio Woodburner, like Dan, back 40, Shib. You have these people with personalities that are just, it's a blast to know them and to be around them. And
And that's what we were after.
and that's what we're after. So
Yep.
I just want to say thank you to everybody for all the comments. That's not typical the way our channel does. We don't usually get all these
Nice, wonderful, long, involved comments.
and frickin' Jeep and K&L, Ben, all these channels just leaving such sincere comments. I just want you to know I do appreciate it. I just put thumbs up and a heart and thumbs up and a heart, which is not typical me, but y'all overwhelm me with your comments that this old guy just, I just want you to know I appreciate it. So we're getting into the video.
Yes. And
Here we go.
This is a strange video for us because it was actually 3 videos that we consolidated down into one video.
Right.
Because they all went together. We have the first part of the video. I'm cutting with my 180. I had been cutting with his 220 battery saw. But I am not good with it. I don't press it the way I should.
And we know that
you guys don't like
we don't like
battery
the
saws.
battery saw. I don't like the sound of them,
So
but
we
the
just cut it out.
the convenience of them is undeniable.
Yeah.
They are just handy and go, handy and go. But the problem with that is I keep forgetting to put oil in it, and
Well, you forgot to charge it this time, but we went real well.
that's right.
Like two.
Anyway, enough gabbing.
So anyway, we after the cutting, we went to the what do you call that loading when you what do you call that when you line those logs up?
Staging them.
The staging of the logs, which is a little bit new for us. It's a little bit different. We're going to do it this way, where it rolls down to him instead of him chasing.
Yeah, it's smarter. Usually I've been on the downside of the hill chasing them.
Yeah.
They're rolling away from me. So I put them on that little hill. Now the logs load to the Halverson. So I'm talking about the Halverson picking them up and putting them on. So
Right, and then there is a little bit of Halverson. And then that's the end of the video. It's a short video, but it's got 3 days worth of work in it that we got done.
Our bags came in from Shaver Equipment, so
Yeah.
we've got the new 1/6 cord bags. That's what we're going to fill. That's what we're filling. We've already started it, putting them in the container.
But you won't see that until after this video.
Right.
And then after this video, we'll show some of that weird. Well, that's a different video. I'm not going to talk about it now.
All right. Enjoy the video.
All right, so we're just going to cut these and drop them here and get these 3 done before you move them.
Yeah, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them.
Oh, are you going to move any of these first?
No, but we can come on out.
All right, because it's getting a little dangerous.
All right, we got a good amount there for the Halverson. All right, these are the ones that we worked up. She cut with the battery saw. So another day here, we're getting these moved down here. These are the Halverson logs. I'm just going to stage these here where the Halverson can pick them up. Absolute gorgeous day. 68 degrees, sunshine. And we just let him roll into position. I don't think I usually show this. This is how we stage for the Halverson. Only thing different is I'm doing it uphill. That's where the Halverson is. Well, I got two. This is where the Halverson is. It's a little troublesome to load. If you're trying to load downhill, you just keep rolling your logs away from you. But having this little grade here, I just let the logs feed to me and they just roll in position. So if you haven't figured out yet, this is going to be a processing day. I ordered more, I think 18 of the 1/6 cord from Shaver Sales, AJ's bags. I was going to get 24, but they didn't look like they sold them in 24, so I got the 18 coming for right now. See if we can get them all. Nope. One left behind. My limitation here is how steep my hill is, so one more. I gotta get rid of this Swedish candle here. And we'll get him on down the hill a ways. He's a little cockeyed too. Let's see if we can get him. This ain't the prettiest stuff we've had, but let me see. Got a little wafer in there you gotta get rid of.
Larry and I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's what we do to get our wood ready for the coming years. We'd like to thank everyone who made comments and suggestions on our last video. We take these things very seriously, and we definitely will be doing a lot of them. You all have a real good day.